Hey guys, Dennis here again from Unbox Solution with another tutorial videos. If this is your first time watching my videos, I have a lot of tutorial videos in my channel, organized each by playlist. Check it out. Consider subscribing to help the channel and smash the bell icon so you'll not miss any of my future videos. Before we get started with the tutorial, I just want to inform you that I have an ongoing giveaway. To join, just click the card above or check the description below. Let's get started with the tutorial on how to register to Coins.ph. Coins.ph is an online wallet just like paymaya and gcash, but the difference is that Coins.ph provides more cash-in and cash-out options that those two services don't have. Aside from that, Coins.ph provides you the option to buy Bitcoin and be able to transact with international services that accept Bitcoin. There are two ways to register to Coins.ph, through their online website or via their mobile app. Either way, the process is just the same. For now, I will be showing you on how to register to Coins.ph using their mobile app. If you want me to do a tutorial in any apps, please comment it below or send me a message on Messenger. The links are in the description below. Once you've already downloaded the Coins.ph app on your Android phone or iPhone, open the app, click Manual Registration, fill up your information, your name and mobile number. Enter our referral code to receive free 50 pesos upon verifying your account. You will receive an SMS verification code that you will need to enter on the next page. Let me know if you receive any error during the registration process by commenting it below so I can help you, or you can also send me a message on Facebook Messenger. All links are in the description below. Enter the verification code and you're in. Before we end this video, I just want to ask you guys, which do you think is better? Coins.ph, Globe Gcash, or Paymaya? Comment your answer now and I'll be giving you 30 seconds. In my next video, I will be showing you on how to verify your Coins.ph account and be able to use it. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for you not to miss that video. Again, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.